Lamb. Lamb. We pronounce it like L. Actually, it looks like L in English, but looking to the opposite side, so it's easy to remember. Lamb, we pronounce it as L in English. So since lamb has fatha on the top of it, how we should pronounce it? Good job. La. La. L plus A. So you add A to the pronunciation of lamb will be la. La. Okay, what about lamb with kasra underneath it? Beautiful. Li. Li. What about lamb with dhamma? Good job. Lu. Lu. So, lam with fatha. La. Lam with kasra. Li. Lam with dhamma. Lu. La. Li. Lu. One more time. La. Li. Lu. Meem. Meem. How we pronounce meem? Yes, like M in English. We pronounce meem as an M in English. So now meem has fatha. If I see meem in any word with dash on the top, how should I pronounce it? Good job. Ma. 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 What about when I see meem with kasra underneath it? Me. Me. Meem with dhamma. I'll just add O to the pronunciation of meem. So will be mu. Mu. Meem with fatha. Ma. Ma. Meem with kasra. Me. Me. Meem with dhamma. Mu. Mu. Ma. Me. Mu. Ma. Me. Mu. What letter is this? Anyone remember? Beautiful. Noon. Noon. How we pronounce noon? From its name. Pronounce as N. As N in English. So if I see noon with fatha, how should I pronounce it then? Good job. You remember our rule. You add A to the pronunciation of the letter. So it's na. Na. Okay, what about noon with kasra? Remember, the pronunciation of noon is N. So we're gonna pronounce it as ni. Ni. What about noon with dhamma? Noon with dhamma, I will just have to add O to the pronunciation of noon. So will be no. No. So noon with fatha. Na. Na. Noon with kasra. Ni. Ni. Noon with dhamma. No. No. Na. Ni. no, ne, ni, no.